Hello, good morning, my people, good afternoon, good evening. Today we are going to learn conversation. Are you ready to learn conversation? If you are ready, let's start. Before I start, I wanted to tell you, don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you enjoyed this video. Let's start. Hi, bite. Hello, muraho. Do you speak English? Uvuga Icyongereza? Yes, I speak in English. Yego mvuga Icyongereza. What's your name? Witwa nde? My name is Jessica. Yitwa Jessica. Can you read bicycle? Can you read bicycle? Uzi gutwara igare? Yes, I can read bicycle. Yego nzi gutwara igare. Do you like to take a photo? Do you like to take a photo? Uzi gufata amafoto? Yes, I like to take a photo. Yego nzi gufata amafoto. Can you use the computer? Ese ukoresha computer? Yes, I can use a computer. Yego nkoresha computer. Do you like to shop? Ukunda guhaha? Yes, I like to shop. Yego nkunda guhaha. What's your favorite day of the week? What's your favorite day of the week? Niwe munsi ukunda hagati mu cyumweru? My favorite day is Monday. Nkunda umunsi wo kuwa mbere. You like to go hiking? Ukunda kujya kurira? Yes, I like to go hiking. Yego ndabikunda. What's your favorite vegetable? Ni izihe mboga wemera? My favorite vegetable is potato. What's your favorite type of car? Niwe bwoko bw'imodoka wemera? My favorite car is Toyota. Nemera ubwoko bwa Toyota. What's your favorite color of clothes? What's your favorite color of clothes? Ni irihe bara ry'imyenda ukunda? My favorite clothing color is black. Nkunda imyenda y'umukara. Do you like to watch sport? Nkunda kureba umukino cyangwa siporo? Yes, I like to watch sport. Yego nkunda kureba siporo. What's your favorite type of shoes? Ni ubuhe bwoko bw'inkweto ukunda? My favorite shoes are sport shoes. Nkunda ubwoko bw'inkweto za siporo. Can you read horse? Uzi gutwara ifarashi? No, I can't read horse. Oya, sinashobora gutwara ifarashi. Do you like to go to the beach? Ukunda kujya ku mazi? Yes, I like to go to the beach. Yego nkunda kujya ku mazi. Do you like to go to the park to relax? Ukunda kujya kuri pariki kuruhuka? Yes, I like to go to the park to relax. Yego nkunda kujya kuri pariki kuruhuka. What's your favorite type of phone? Niwe bwoko bwa telefone ukunda? My favorite phone is iPhone. Nkunda ubwoko bwa iPhone. What's your favorite type of bag? Niwe bwoko bwa bag ukunda? My favorite bag is school bag. Nkunda ibaga y'ishuri. Do you like to go to the park? Ukunda kujya kuri pariki? Yes, I like to go to the park. Yego nkunda kujya kuri pariki. Do you like to go swimming in the pool? Ukunda kujya koga muri pisine? Yes, I like to go swimming in the pool. Yego nkunda kujya koga muri pisine. Do you like to go hiking in the mountains? Ukunda kujya kurira imisozi? Yes, I like to go hiking in the mountains. Yego nkunda kujya kurira imisozi. Do you like to go to the gym to exercise? Ukunda kujya gukora imyitozo muri gym? Yes, I like to go to the gym to exercise. Nkunda kujya gukora imyitozo muri gym. Can you play chess? Uzi gukina chess? No, I can't play chess. Oya, ntabwo nzi gukina chess. Do you like to read books? Nkunda gusoma ibitabo. Yes, I like to read books. Yego, nkunda gusoma ibitabo. Can you swim in lake? Uzi koga mu kiyaga? Yes, I can swim in lake. Yego, nzi koga mu kiyaga. What's your favorite place to visit? Ni akahe gace ukunda gusura? My favorite place to visit in Paris. Nkunda gusura Paris. Video is the end. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment and like. We see next video. Bye.